In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Shopify shipping to save money and get more sales. Whether you're just starting out with your online store or looking to optimize your shipping strategy, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Not only will the setup help you keep costs down, but it can also enhance your customer experience, potentially boosting your sales. First, let's dive into the Shopify dashboard. Once you're logged into your account, head over to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings. From there, you'll want to select Shipping and Delivery. This is where all the magic happens for configuring how you ship your products to customers. Now, it's crucial to create shipping zones. Shipping zones allow you to specify different rates and options depending on where your customers are located. This is especially beneficial if you have a diverse customer base spread across various regions. To set up a shipping zone, simply click on the Create Shipping Zones button. You'll then be prompted to name your zone and select the countries or regions you want to include. Make sure to consider your most frequent customer locations when setting this up, as it could impact your shipping costs and delivery times. Once your shipping zones are in place, it's time to add some rates. Click on Add Rate under the specific zone you want to configure. Here you have the flexibility to add different types of shipping options. Let's start with free shipping. Offering free shipping can be a great incentive for your customers and might encourage them to complete their purchase. Simply name the rate free shipping and input a $0 amount. Alternatively, you might consider setting a flat rate. This means charging a consistent shipping fee regardless of the order size or destination within a zone. Flat rates can simplify the checkout process and make shipping costs predictable for your customers. To set this up, enter a name like Flat Rate Shipping and specify a fixed dollar amount that makes sense for your business. Setting conditions is also a smart strategy to encourage higher order values. For instance, you can offer free shipping for orders over a certain amount. To do this, click on Add Conditions when setting up your rate. Input a minimum order value that you think would motivate your customers to add more items to their cart. This can be a win-win situation, helping you increase your average order size while providing customers with a little extra value. Once you've set up your rates and conditions, don't forget to click Done to save your changes. It's always a good idea to review your shipping setup periodically to ensure it's aligned with your business goals and customer expectations. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Shopify shipping to not only save money, but also to potentially increase your sales by offering attractive shipping options. Remember, the key to a successful shipping strategy is finding a balance between cost and customer satisfaction. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your online store.